Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS virtual camera on Umingle. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS app on your computer. Once OBS is launched, navigate to Scenes and click the plus icon. This will prompt you to enter a name for your new scene. For example, you can type virtual camera, then click OK. Creating a dedicated scene for your virtual camera helps keep your setup organized and makes it easier to switch between different broadcasting configurations. Next, in the bottom left section of OBS, navigate to Sources. Click the plus icon there, and from the menu that appears, select Display Capture. After selecting this option, click OK. Display Capture allows OBS to capture everything that's shown on your screen, which is essential for broadcasting your content through the virtual camera feature. Now, look for the display option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred display from the list that appears. This is particularly useful if you have multiple monitors connected to your computer. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm. OBS will now capture the content from the display you've chosen. With your scene and source properly configured, direct your attention to the right panel of the OBS interface. Here, you'll find a button labeled Start Virtual Camera. Go ahead and click it. This activates OBS's virtual camera feature, which essentially creates a virtual webcam device that other applications can access. You'll notice OBS is now actively streaming your configured scene to this virtual camera. Now it's time to set things up on Umingle. Open your web browser and navigate to umingle.com. Once the website loads, look at the center of the page where you'll see a video button. Click on it to access Umingle's video features. This is where you'll be able to configure your camera settings and start your video session. In the left panel of Umingle, hover your mouse over your profile. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears below the flip camera option. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the list of available camera sources, select OBS Virtual Camera. This tells Umingle to use the virtual camera feed from OBS instead of your physical webcam. Once selected, Umingle will now display whatever you've configured in your OBS scene, giving you complete control over what your audience sees. And that's it. You've successfully connected OBS Virtual Camera to Umingle, allowing you to broadcast professional-looking content with custom scenes and sources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.